Hey, everyone hit it straight. Fuck. Now it's on me. Fuck, too much. Oh, bro, come on. All right, go.
What happened, dude? Again? What is you doing, dog?
I can't. All right.
Go again.
Who's going? Am I going again?
Yeah, just come on. You gotta get in the green. It's now 6.
Fuck, man. That's some shit. What the fuck? That shit is too slick.
Damn.
That shit is too slick. Yeah, bruh. That shit is too slick.
Yeah, I don't know, dog. Today is not your day. And this is?
All right, this is 8, man.
Oh, damn.
It's all right. It's the first hole. It's all right. We getting warmed up here.
Don't jinx yourself again.
Boy.
Nice.
Fucked it
Where
up.
the fuck did you go?
Oh, you're going to be out of
was
bounds.
dumb,
You might need another ball.
I was trying to make it go that way. I've been practicing my picks, bro.
Damn, that's too far.
In the water.
Where'd it go? In the water?
It probably did.
Talking shit. Look at that. People went in the freaking water.
I lost it.
You lost yours too?
Straight.
This is the only winner right here.
Wait, you switched balls?
Why you bring us out here today, dog?
I got him.
Hey, gotta come play every weekend.
Today is not the day.
It's the day. Every day's a golf day.
Dude, you guys thinking smarter than us. And now that we all out and shit.
I'm on the
Let's go.
greens.
Ass. Watch them miss this too. Could be 7.
There's still the 8.
Oh, that's too damn bad.
Oh!
Que lo que, mamá huevo?
Bling!
Trash. Trash. Look at that shit.
It look good on video on the microphone, I think. 1, 2, 1, 2. We got the rookie right here talking all that. You feel me? See what he has.
Talk to him. Moses, tell him who I am.
Oh, that beginner's luck wearing off.
I don't know, dog.
Ass!
What we had, dude?
Oh,
That one's
that was
nice.
nice. It sounded nice. Oh!
Oh, shit.
that was nice. Oh, that's all day, bro.
What was that, Grandpa? What the fuck? I missed it. What the fuck was that? No te pases. Oh! Fuck wrong with him?
Fuck y'all.
What kind of goofy shit is that? Oh, Jesus. I went up. What you laughing at, dude? My boy landed right there in the front.
Oh, that was nice.
Truckee came down today and they holding us up, bro.
Be like that.
It's Truckee's fault.
Oh, I forgot I had this.
Holding us up.